Well, let's begin this evening news with a shocking story that's coming in from Uttar Pradesh. A married woman was allegedly raped and assaulted in Deora village. What is even worse is that senior police officer refused to file a case in this regard, saying that the woman was told to be raped.
जांच करा लेते हैं कोई झगड़ा होगा तो गांव का तो ये तो इनके कई बच्चे होंगे कितने बच्चे हैं कितने 4 बच्चे सबसे बड़े बच्चे की उम्र कितनी है
वो लगभग 17-18 साल की हो
कितने साल का बच्चा
14 या 15
इतने पुरानी औरत को कौन बलात्कार करेगा.
Well, let's go across to our colleague now, Khurram Nizami, joining us for further updates on this story. Well, this is a very shocking piece of input coming forward. Khurram, we hear the police officer say that the woman was too old to be raped.
I will see that this is an unfortunate incident from Uttar Pradesh once again. Before the many ministers has committed the same mistake what the senior policeman has committed now. So the weird statement coming from the senior police official has also shocked the state government as well as the police department. The police department has extended their apology and said they will look after the matter well. And at the same time, the state government has also expressed their concern on the remark and said that they will also look in the matter. The state spokesman of the party, Mr. Rajendra Chaudhary, has said that he will take the matter to the chief minister and will see that the promises made by the chief minister that he will make all the things okay if concerned about the law and order. But these type of comments are really shattering the promises and all the statements given by the chief minister that he will make everything perfect in accordance with the law and order. But this type of statement coming from a senior police officer has once again cleared that the situation is very good and the state action has to take
Okay,
place.
Khurram, do stay on the telephone line. I'm going to come back to you for further details on this story. Joining me at the moment is Ms. Ranjana Kumari, women rights activist over the telephone line. Ms. Kumari, stay on the telephone line with us. I want to play that soundbite once again where a senior police officer is saying that the woman who was raped in Uttar Pradesh was too old to be raped. Let's take a listen. I'm coming back to you for a reaction.
जांच करा लेते हैं कोई झगड़ा होगा तो गांव का तो ये तो इनके कई बच्चे होंगे कितने बच्चे हैं कितने 4 बच्चे सबसे बड़े बच्चे की उम्र कितनी है
वो लगभग 17-18 साल की हो
कितने साल का बच्चा
14 या 15
इतने पुरानी औरत को कौन बलात्कार करेगा.
Well, you must have heard that comment, Ms. Kumari. If I don't even want to repeat what the policeman really said, but isn't this extremely appalling to see an officer on camera making such a ruthless statement?
Yes, it is disgrace, and it is not Madhya Pradesh. It has happened in Devariya district of Uttar Pradesh.
Yes, Uttar Pradesh,
and
that's
Uttar
right.
Pradesh is, yes, Uttar Pradesh is extreme, at the moment in such a state where every day cases of violence against women is coming, every day rape cases are getting reported, and such insensitive police officer is a disgrace because he has made such a statement at the level that he's a senior officer. People say that when junior officers are in the police station, perhaps they don't know and they are not gender sensitive enough. But this is a senior officer. This is not expected of him to talk so, in fact, his duty is to get the case registered. Does he to get the investigation done? Instead of doing that, he is, commenting about her age. This is absolutely unacceptable. We demand that Chief Minister of UP should suspend him immediately, should ensure that the message goes loud and clear that such irresponsible behavior will not be tolerated in the state.
But I want to also understand from you, Ms. Kumari, when we demand such things from the state chief minister and other organizations working for protection of women in the state, really, do these pleas, where do they go, or are they just going on deaf ears?
Well, certainly they have to yield to some kind of, demand where these people are, after all, if the chief minister has to send any message, make any example, because this is how a state been managed by a law enforcement agency in a state where over 7,000 cases of various kinds of crime against women just happened last year. If these are the reported crimes. And such a senior police officer has such insensitive attitude.
Absolutely.
Then certainly it has to be taken care of. There is absolutely no excuse to keep such people functioning and allowing them to, act as. How can he enforce any kind of law? if he doesn't have any sensitivity about what
Any
is happening to
sensitivity,
women.
any respect towards women in the state. Well, thanks very much, Ms. Kumari, for that reaction. Khurram, I'm going to come back to you to know what sort of an action is expected against this senior police officer. But before I come back, let's once again go ahead and listen into the language used by this police officer against the victim.
जांच करा लेते हैं जांच करा लेते हैं कोई झगड़ा होगा तो गांव पर
जांच करा लीजिए।
तो ये तो इनके कई बच्चे होंगे कितने बच्चे हैं कितने
4 बच्चे।
सबसे बड़े बच्चे की उम्र कितनी है
वो लगभग 17-18 साल की हो।
कितने साल का
15
बच्चा
या 14 या 15।
तो इतनी पुरानी औरत को कौन बलात्कार करेगा
We have breaking inputs coming in.